Hey everybody, this is Ryan, and I'm out here with, as you can see, a solar panel system. Now, this system is by the company Nurzvi. I'm going to spell that Nurzviy. And this is a 200-watt solar portable system. Basically, in a nutshell, you take this with you. I'm going to give you some dimensions. I'm going to give you all the details. And then provided with the wires, 3 different connections on what you can plug it into to charge whatever device it is, batteries, anything that would connect to such a connection. Now, full disclosure, this company reached out to me and said, hey, Ryan, can you do one of your detailed reviews on our solar panels? Who am I to say no? So no way whatsoever, though. This being provided to me will positively or negatively impact my review. Let's get into it. Now, as you can see here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 big solar panels. Now, each individual one has these individual cells, but from a square footage standpoint, you're looking at roughly about 25 inches by 21 inches here. This one is right at 21 by the same width, 21 by the same width, and then you have this one that matches this one. So you have a good bit of square footage here as far as your solar panel, I guess how you're gonna stretch it out and use it. Now, cool part about this is that it can be folded up into different configurations depending on how the sun is basically, you know, shining where you are right now. So as you can see here, I have it kind of propped up because the sun is really low and I want to try to get as much of a direct sun hit as possible. Now, solar panels have what's called an efficiency rating. This particular setup is 200 watt, and the cell efficiency is 22.6%. The connector type is MC4. I'm gonna show you here in a sec. The short circuit current is 10.66 A, which is amps. Open circle circuit voltage is 23.8 volts. Power circuit 10.1 amps. Power voltage 19.8 volts. And like I said, it is a peak power of 200 watts. Now, this extension cord that comes with it has your built-in adapter, as you can see there, that connects to this harness, which gives you 3 different plug options to plug into the device of your choosing that has this type of plug. The actual extension cord reaches about 10 feet. So what you would want to do is plug any one of these, this is a MC4 connector, to your corresponding input port on your power station. Basically what you need to get some juice to, get your 200 watts plugged into. And you have, there's options like an Anderson port, you have a 8mm DC port, and then a XT60 port. So you have these 3 different types of ports to plug into whatever device you might need to get your charge on, and then you are good to go. Now, if you're wondering about the total weight of this after you've packaged everything up and put it all nice, neat, and configured in there, is right at about 19 pounds. So it's very light in the grand scheme of things to kind of move around. When it comes to waterproof, it does have a rating that is a 1P67. That's either a 1P or IP 67, and it can operate in temperatures up to 140 degrees. So hopefully that answers all the questions you might have about this, however you pronounce that, solar panels, 200 watt solar panels.